ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Schofields on a Richmond branch. Departing on platform number 2, we have a Richmond service. Stopping at Riverstone, then followed by Vineyard, Mulgrave, Windsor, Clarendon, East Richmond, and Richmond. A50 is the set. Here's a lovely little 2000 City Rail era station sign. In Schofields. This direction is looking towards Blacktown, Parramatta, Campbelltown and Central, and new development been happening, and just this direction here heading towards Riverstone and Richmond. We should have a K71 about to depart. K71 now departing platform number 1, Schofield service. This train will be stopping at Crackers Hill, then followed by Marion, Blacktown, Seven Hills, Toongabbie, Pendle Hill, Wentworthville, Westmead, Parramatta, Harris Park, Marylands, Guildford, Yenoa, Fairfield, Canleyvale, Caparramatta, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Macquarie Fields, Ingleburn, Minto, Lemire and Campbelltown. Looks like some clown has decided to play games with the doors. Here we go. Waratah A73 is now departing platform number 1 on speed via Macquarie University service. This train will be stopping at Crackers Hill, then following by Marion, Blacktown, Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then followed by North Wide, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, then all stations to Hornsby. We should have a train about to arrive on platform number 1 at Schofields. It will be a terminating service and it will perform a Campbelltown service. When this train terminates at Schofields, it will be stopping at Crackers Hill, then followed by Marion, Blacktown, Seven Hills, Toongabbie, Pendle Hill, Wentworthville, Westmead, Parramatta, Harris Park, Marylands, Guildford, Yenoa, Fairfield, Canleyvale, Caparramatta, Warwick Farm, Liverpool, Casula, Glenfield, Macquarie Fields, Ingleburn, Minto, Lemire and Campbelltown. I shall be able to tell you what set number it is very shortly. And it's four cars. It's coming, ladies and gentlemen. Coming on onto the frame right now, folks. It's an S set. S89 is a set. Shortly arriving on camera, we have S89 now departing platform number 1 for a Campbelltown service. This train will be stopping at Crackers Hill, then followed by Marion, Blacktown, then all stations to Parramatta, then following by Harris Park, Marylands, then all stations to Liverpool, then followed by Casula, Glenfield, then all stations to Campbelltown. S89 is set. And anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.